Welcome to my channel, James Tutorial. I am James Bodhak, a blessed son of Lord Almighty. I have been associated in the profession of teaching for the last 8 years. Most of you would like to know why I have ultimately chosen the platform of YouTube after so many years. To be frank and honest, I was not attached with the social media at all. Very often, I see my wife and only son watching videos on YouTube. Neither I had any tendency, nor do I have any desire to watch videos on YouTube. Being a true bona fide Christian, I have been involved in church-related activities since 2005. Life was not so smooth sailing for me. I struggled a lot since my childhood, but I did not forget my Lord at any time in my life. I strongly believe that my Lord will never leave or forsake me. My father used to take me to Don Bosco school in a bicycle, which is an hour ride from my house. Since we lived in a remote village, there was no electricity and I had to study with the help of kerosene oil lit lamps. It was very painful. Finally, our village was brought under electrification when I was 26 years old. Before choosing education as my profession, I had to struggle a lot to make both ends meet. I joined in a small private factory as a supervisor cum manager that manufactured nuts and bolts. When I returned home from factory, my whole body and dress would be full with dirt and dust. I worked there for several months until I was forced to quit the job. Later on, I joined an NGO as a project coordinator in a project funded by Save the Children United Kingdom, where the underprivileged and downtrodden children of some remote villages of West Midnapore district were the beneficiaries. I witnessed the miserable condition of the villagers living there. Bicycle was the only way to reach the project field. During the rainy season, it was very difficult to walk through knee-deep water and mud. Thinking about my own family, I was obliged to endure the hardship. Sometimes I didn't get time for lunch since the time of work was not fixed and my health condition would get worse. Eventually, I felt the importance of getting involved in the profession of teaching. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we're almost a kind of house arrest since 2020, and as a result of its outbreak, the whole world witnessed the worst ever impact on people, economy and environment. Students have been suffering a lot as most of the schools and colleges are closed. In a way, the students are deprived of education for many days, and online classes have become the only way to impart education. In this situation, I thought if I could help a little from my side to the students of some states like Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jammu and Kashmir and so on, because these states are still lagging behind in education, I would be very happy and feel proud of myself. You will be surprised to know that I was an engineering student, but I have always wanted to move forward, keeping English as my favorite subject and concentrating a lot in the said subject. As a representative of Church of North India, I went to England and Norway after getting a sponsorship from the Norwegian Agency for Development and Cooperation. This overseas experience did help me a lot, and it also enriched me in many aspects. Since my childhood, I had a strong desire to do something for the welfare of human beings. I was inspired with the noble work of some eminent social workers across the globe who were Mary Ellen Richmond, Alan Devoe, Janie Addams, David Crompton, Margaret Elizabeth Noble, Swami Vivekananda, Mother Teresa and Jesus Christ. They had a determination to work for the benefit of mankind. They uttered the inspirational quote, and that inspirational quote touched our heart. Let's all preach with the intention of working for the good of humanity. But how can I accomplish such noble deed being a person who is insignificant? I can't find any way, even if there is a will. Having realized that God has given me huge potential, I do consider it as God-gifted potential. Finally, I decided to open an educational channel for the students, those who are really lagging in education. This is my first channel, James Tutorial, which is a bright prospect to enrich English education to the students. I hope the students of ICAC, CBAC, IC board will really benefit a lot from this channel. I have also created another channel, Universal Tutorial, for the Bengali medium students of 5th to 10th standard. My dear students, all of you have got some potential as a gift from God. So let's start a journey from today, right from today, with strong willpower, indomitable zeal, and determination to fulfill your dreams. My dear students, if you support me constantly, I do commit that I will never disappoint you. If you grow in confidence after watching this video, then do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will be the first of all to receive next videos. Moreover, like it and share it. If you have any queries, feel free to make a comment, and you will get a link to Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at my description box. If you want, you can follow me from there, and I shall give the details of my next video that I will publish. I will publish my next introduction video on Monday, the 19th of July. Take care, strictly follow COVID rules, stay well and stay safe. That's all for today. Goodbye.